All right, seventh grade. This is your grammar lesson for this week. It is on collective nouns. Right, we're going to be working with collective nouns. Collective nouns are words used to describe a group of things. Below are some collective nouns used to group animals. Use the list below to complete the sentence. Notice that the word of plus a plural noun always follows a collective noun. People, for the example, people gather every year in March to watch the flight of swallows to return from San Juan Capistrano. So you're going to read the sentences. You have a word box to use. Now, for number one, a blank snuggled under our porch during the storm. Now, I don't see a crash of rhinoceroses snuggling under your porch. I don't see a gang of elk snuggling under your porch. I don't see a pod of whales snuggling under a porch. A flight of swallows could snuggle, but I don't know if they would go under your porch. A tribe of monkeys. I'm not sure if we have any tribes of monkeys around here. A clouder of cats. Now, cats could go under a porch. A school of fish. No, not under a porch. And a murder of crows. You might have a murder of crows, but I think a clouder of cats would be your best bet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this a little bigger for me because I got to write. So I would write on here a clouder of cats. Now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 possibilities, and there are 8 sentences. So I don't think we use this more than once. So I'm going to mark out a clouder of cats. A blank were spotted in the meadow. Now, I've read through the list up above. What could be in a meadow? Rhinoceroses could be, but I would probably have to go with a gang of elk would be in, that's a K, in the meadow. So I'm going to mark that out. Now, one of the things that you need to be careful of is you might want to read through them all and make sure that they make sense. Now, I put the gang of elk. It might be used better than better in another sentence than the other. So you are going to finish this. Now, if you don't know what something is, you could always Google it. When you are finished, remember to submit to me through Canvas to get the grade. Good luck and have fun.